Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today learn numbers. Kids colors name: yellow color, blue color, red color, black color, green color, white color. Kids eye coloring numbers. Kids first draw 1, the numbers of 1, and use yellow color. O N E 1, 2, T W 2. Kids again use yellow color and draw 3, T H R W 3. Kids night 4, and again use yellow color. F O U R 4, 5, F I V E 5. Kids night 6, the numbers of 6, and use blue color. S I X 6, 7, S E V E and 7, 8, E I G H T 8, 9, N I N E 9, 10, T E and 10. Kids night 11, the numbers of 11, and use red color. 12, the numbers of 12. Kids again use red color and draw 13. The numbers of 13. 14. The numbers of 14. Kids night of 15. The numbers of 15. And again use red color. Kids night 16, the numbers of 16, and use black color. 17, the numbers of 17. Kids again use black color and draw 18. The numbers of 18. 19, the numbers of 19. Kids again use black color and last to 20. The numbers of 20. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.